Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create artistic borders frames using stroke options. Select the entire canvas using Ctrl+A, then go to the edits, select stroke and apply a thick color border. Experiment with gradient or pattern strokes for style. Reduce fill to 0% for clean transparent interiors. Then duplicate the frame for multiple layer design. Rotate one layer slightly for creative overlap. Apply a Gaussian blur on one stroke for depth. Change blending modes like overlay or multiply. You will get a realistic textures, photos, frame effect.